Hey guys, in this video let me share you how to reset this Boat rockerz 110 neckband earphones. So these neckband earphones supported with a dual connection, so you can able to connect in two devices at the same time simultaneously. And at the same time, if you want to reset and you are facing any connection related issue, so in this video I'm going to say you how to do that. So for this, firstly, if you already connected this neckband in any of the devices, just go to the Bluetooth settings and click on the unpair option, and better turn off the Bluetooth in your nearby devices. Now just take your neckband earphone. Now during the neckband earphone in the on condition, like you are seeing a blue with red light indication, which means currently it's in the pairing mode. Now in this situation, you have to just press and hold the plus key and minus key at the same time for 5 seconds continuously. I'm going to do now. And also you need to watch this LED indicator. You will see a blue with a red light indication. Now I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you've seen, first a blue light and then red light blinks. So that is a success indication for the reset completion. Now once the earbuds resetted, now it again goes back to the pairing mode. Now this time in your nearby devices, enable the Bluetooth. So whether you are connecting in a PC, laptop or an iPhone, enable the Bluetooth and go to the available device list. So now in the available devices, you can see rockerz 110. Just click to pair. Click on checkmark the allow access, click on pair option. So now this time Boat rockerz 110 is connected. Now this is the reset process. If you are facing any connection related problem, surely that problem will be sorted out after the reset process. Now you can able to see the rockerz 110 earphone is connected, and also you can make sure the media volume, phone calls and the contact sharing, device volume sync, all these settings options are enabled to not face any inconvenience in any of the feature. And also if you are facing volume imbalance issue, means just go to the settings in the Android phone and search for accessibility. Click on the accessibility. Now under the settings, click on hearing tab. Now here is the channel volume balancing. Make sure this pointer is at the center. If it is towards left or towards right, you might experience a volume imbalance between the left and right. Only left is more hearable than right, or right is more hearable than left. So to overcome that issue, make sure this pointer is at center in this settings. Well, overall, that's it about this video, guys. Now, in this way, you can reset this Boat rockerz 110 neckband earphones.